Good morning. Welcome to our very first Reader's Workshop video lesson. Yay! Hi everybody. Good morning, my Chords crew. Today is Thursday and we're going to be doing a little workshop lesson. Yeah! So, we are officially starting school today. So, for reading, I thought instead of me starting strong, that I would ease us in. And a nice thing to ease us in is just a little review as to what our Reader's Workshop needs are. Is this gorgeous? Look at this. I made this for you guys. You know I love my colors, so it's nicely color coded. So I thought we would just kind of go over what is a Reader's Workshop because we're going to be starting Reader's Workshop again. And I will send you a picture of this so you know exactly what it is that I'm expecting of you for the next 9 weeks. So let's do it. Okay, here we go. First thing, what is Reader's Workshop? Look, it's been a long time since we've done a Reader's Workshop. So I thought it'd be really nice if we could kind of refresh, review, and kind of start to get into it nicely. So let's review about what our Reader's Workshop is. First things first, what materials do I need? That's a good question. Here's the first thing that we're going to need. You're going to need a quiet place to work. Look, I know that might be a little hard. There's a lot of people in everybody's houses. I've got 4 adults and 4 animals in my house, and everybody is everywhere on top of everybody. So I get that this might be a little hard. What I want you to do is I just want you to find like a corner, a part of the house that you know is going to be quiet for like the next 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You just need to find a quiet place that you can get some work done. I think that's fairly simple. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Number 2 says a reader's notebook and pencil. Okay, I need you guys over the course of the weekend to try and find a spiral notebook. A notebook, any type of notebook. I know that your reader's notebooks are still at school and you're kind of like, oh, I don't have mine. That's okay. You just need to find some sort of spiral notebook if you can get one, okay? So you're going to need a notebook. You're going to need some Post-it notes. You're going to need a highlighter, and you're going to need a pencil. Easy peasy? Okay, let's move on to number 3. Number 3 says the reading materials books about our unit. So here's what's going on. We are going to be wrapping up fantasy, and we're going to be moving on to something called argument and advocacy. And this is a unit that's going to be about you reading materials that I'm going to provide for you, different nonfiction articles, and then what you're going to do is you're going to research these articles and you're going to try and debate the pros and cons of each one of these issues. I had sent out a Google form that asked you guys what topics interest you. So that's what the topics are going to be about. So that's the materials I'm going to provide for you later, probably next week. What you need to have is a book. Now, I know you guys love to read. So you're probably thinking, maybe I don't need to read. You do. Not because I want you to do it, not because the school wants you to do it, or Dennis McDavid, or Mrs. Crable, or your parents. You should read because it's really good for your brain. I mean, we spend so much time staring at these stupid computers. I think it's really important that you guys have a book. You can go outside to read when it gets warmer, but you should definitely have a book and a book on deck. Remember? All right, let's keep going. Okay, what do I do? All right, this part's the most important part. You need to spend at least 20 minutes a day reading. No ifs, ands, buts, or coconuts, okay? Also, this is really important, number 2. I put a star by it. You need to check the Google Classroom Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday. Not Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. Monday through Friday. And the reason is because there's going to be a video of a reading lesson, like I'm doing right now. And then during the rest of the week, there's going to be extensions and activities. So you need to make sure that you're checking the classroom on a daily basis. Not just our homeroom for reading, but you should be checking math, science, and social studies and writing. Okay, here we go. Number 3, you need to do Lexia 20 minutes a day, 3 times a week, okay? This is very important. This is something that the district really wants you to do. They're really feeling that this is something that's going to help us since school got short. And we're missing some time, so they really feel like the Lexia is something that's going to be very helpful for you. So even though you might be an outstanding reader, you can always be a better reader. So how do we do that? We do our Lexia 20 minutes, 3 times a week. If you don't remember your Lexia password, it's really easy peasy lemon squeezy. I sent a link. You'll find the link for Lexia on our Google Classroom. And then when you get into Lexia, your username and password are Koritz with a lowercase k and your student number. That's it. Pretty easy, right? Okay. What else do we need to do? All right. We need to have a free reading book that we enjoy reading. I am reading a book right now that you guys recommended, and I'm loving it. Anytime I get to sit with my book and not stare at my computer makes me happy. So please make sure that you have a book that's going to make you happy while you're reading. And then the last thing to do, don't mean to sound like a broken record, but y'all, you need to keep reading with a smiley face. It's really important that we keep reading every single day. It's really important that we keep working really hard every single day. So this is our first Reader's Workshop video lesson. I think it went pretty well. What do you guys think? Please be on the lookout for me to be sending some stuff out on Monday. But just to wrap up our Reader's Workshop, materials, quiet place, and you need to put the effort and the time in. And please, 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 do not forget to check out the Google Classroom Monday through Friday from all of your subjects. And most importantly, please don't ever forget how much I miss you and how much I wish we were doing this face-to-face. Yeah, granted, I'm in my workout clothes, and I am about to go work out. But if I had a choice, I'd much rather be at school with you guys. Okay, well, I'll be seeing you soon. Email me if you have any questions. I love you. I miss you. Happy reading. Peace out, Girl Scouts.